Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this 3D printed 1/700 scale RX78. I've been looking at this picture online and I saw this mini Gundam that looked like miniature figures. They're so tiny and I always wonder how people paint them. So I know Bandai also make these mini figures, but they only come along with the battleship kit. I don't want to buy the whole Albion kit just for the mini Gundam. So that's why I got this 3D printed one from my friend. I don't have a 3D printer, maybe I should get one. If you wonder how small is 1/700 scale, this is the comparison. Just like any other kit, I also have to cut them out from the runners, sand the parts, and apply primer before I paint it. This kit is so tiny and there is no way I can mask and airbrush anything. I guess hand painting is the only option here. There's a way to fix the brush marks by sanding with a high grit sanding sponge. Just lightly sand on the paint after it completely dried out. It was such a great challenge painting this kit, especially the head is so small. Hope you liked my video today and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time!